What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to stop and check this video out. I want to share with you and keep you updated on how my sourcing at the Dollar Tree is going. If you haven't seen the other videos, basically what I'm doing is going to the Dollar Tree, looking for things specifically to sell on Amazon FBA, seeing how much profit we can make from that from a part-time perspective. So this isn't a video about how many hundreds of dollars an hour you can make doing this full time. It's not about buying things and bundling them and selling them on eBay. This is specifically if you're working with Amazon FBA, just from one person's perspective, how you can go in there, what you can get, and sort of what the results will be. Okay, so I'm going to try to be as honest and upfront as I can about the profits that are being made and about how it's going. So this week, sort of interesting. I had planned on stopping by 5 different Dollar Trees, and one of them was closed early, and another one was closed even earlier due to staffing. So every week so far I've been doing this, there have been stores that have been closed, and they've been different ones. They haven't all been the same one. They've been different ones. So Dollar Tree, at least in my area, is having trouble staffing, like a lot of other companies. So that is an obstacle that I'm running into. I was able, however, to stop at 3 stores successfully. The two that I'm going to show you right here, and these are, by the way, these are shipments that are going to be right up here. These are shipments um, from Inventory Lab, so it's telling you how many items and what was spent and then the profit. So as you can see, I stopped at 2 different stores. One, I picked up enough items for $35 worth of profit, and in the other one, about $45 worth of 47, give or take. So about an hour between both stores and 80 bucks. Not bad. Not huge, but not bad for spending an hour looking through a couple different stores. The third one I want to talk to you about is the most important one for this video, I think, because this is the first Dollar Tree that I've been to where they changed their prices. They upped everything to $1.25. No, this isn't a call for action to riot and revolt against the Dollar Tree video. I'm just telling you this is what happened in my area. I understand in some areas they're raising things as much as like $5 for certain items. Hasn't happened to me yet. Most I've seen is $1.25. So let's take a look at that store and see some of the things that I got and the shipment and what the total cost was. So let's take a look at the shipment real quick. So this is the actual shipment from Inventory Lab. So as you can tell, I picked up 31 items. There were multiples, 12 SKUs, so 31. So there were multiples. Average sale rank 37,000. How much I'm actually going to sell everything for. And here's the $38.75. Divide that by $31.25 item. And here's the total net profit that I should make off of these if I sell them for what I have listed them for. So again, it took me about 30 minutes at this store, picked up 31 items, and we're going to make about $59. Here's a couple items that I want to show you that I actually looked for and actually grabbed. Most of these are DVDs. There is one non-DVD item, which was sort of interesting, and I showed that in my first video. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to sell it. Ended up selling it, so we'll look at that as well. Let's scan some of these. First one we got is this Copying Beethoven DVD. So if you pull this up here, here it is right here, Copying Beethoven. Here's the DVD. If you can see, this one below is 132,000. We're not interested in that one. Going to this one because it has a lower sell rate. It should sell pretty quick at 52,000. Got good reviews. There's the cover of it. Selling for $8.83. And so if we put in our cost of $1.25, we're still going to make about $1.76, right? So I'm shooting for about $2 per, but $1.76 isn't horrible. And I actually think when I looked this up the other day when I picked it up, I think it was selling for like almost. So I'll have to look into that and see what I want to list it for. If it's going to be worth it just to get rid of it at the 8 something, or to hold on to it if those 8s are going to sell out quick and I can get a little bit more out. Here's another one that I picked up. Sign of the Beaver DVD. 35,000 in seller rank. Up here at the top, 532 reviews. Got good reviews. Again, this one's selling for a little bit more, and if you look, you can see that the FBA offer is $8.99. So I'm probably going to sell for $8.99. So that's an extra about 50 cents that I'm going to get out of it. So if we put it in for $1.25, up here it's already got the $8.99 price. It's going to make $1.89. So still making about what I'm looking for. Now this next one, I knew right away I was going to get this one. These ones were in some of the other videos that I picked up. This Wolves with Jason Momoa. And I, again, have never seen this video, but it's selling pretty quickly. So 9,000. Here it's only selling for $7.65 is what it's listed as. I was getting $9 and some change out of them. So I'm probably going to continue to sell this at the 9. And this actually just updated this morning. It was not $7.65 as of last night when I was selling some. So this one's saying 75 cents. And again, these prices are always going to change. We have to look at that and see why it dipped so quick, but I believe it'll go back up. And so if you take a look, I'm going to put up on the screen here some of the sales I've had for this. Wolves, it's been selling pretty quickly, and so I knew pretty fast I was going to pick it up because I was making almost $3 on each one, spending $1 on them, sending them in. They're selling several a day, and so I knew that this was going to be a hit as soon as I saw it. Unfortunately, there was only one. I've gotten several to send in, and most of them are already sold out on my account. So I was looking to replenish. Here's another one, Split Infinity, 31,000 seller rank, selling for $9, 314, 8.99, spent $1.25 on it. So we're gonna make $1.89. So we're more than doubling our money. Now this next thing, this is sort of interesting. The hefty plates, right? I picked these up originally a couple weeks ago and sent them in, and I was like, I'm not sure anybody's going to buy 20 hefty plates for $8. Um, they are soak proof, so maybe that's the extra cost there. I have no idea how much hefty plates cost. Begin with, I don't buy them, so could be a good deal. Not sure, but if we look at them, scan the barcode. That picked up something that it was not, so we're gonna make this a little bit clear. There we go. So we want this second one here, hefty soak proof foam disposable plates, 20 count. There's 147,000 in kitchen. There's only 8 reviews. It does have 5 stars. $7.99 on FBA. So we're gonna click this, and we got it for $1.25. So $2.04. And if you're thinking, hey, who's going to buy that? Well, that's not a good way to go into Amazon FBA because a lot of times people will buy things for a price that you necessarily wouldn't. And here's an example of this right here of me selling these plates not that long ago. Right? So I did sell them, and I was like, oh, I'll pick up another one. And if these sell pretty quick, I may just go get some more. See how it goes. All right. So as you can see, at $1.25, we're still making profit. Not huge. You're not paying $1.25 and making $10 all the time, but you can see the power of the Dollar Tree in the Wolves, for example, DVD that I showed you, where you can pick one up, you can find several at multiple stores, and then you're selling them, making $2.50, $3, $1.85, $1.89 on each of them, right? So on each item you're picking up, you're adding that up, and that's rolling over. So if you're sending in 10 of an item that's selling real quick, and you got $10 in it, and you're getting $20 profit off of that, you can see how that can sort of build up, right? So again, I don't think Dollar Tree is going to be your empire here for Amazon FBA, but it's definitely a quick and easy way to get some things to throw into a box you're already making, or even just to get started, right? Um, they're super easy. You don't have to take any tags off of them. I mean, the Dollar Tree stuff has been some of the easiest things that I've had to prep. Pick it up, scan it in, throw a tag on it, you put it in a box. Super easy. And for that reason alone, I like it. Sometimes even if I'm making an extra dollar, I'm like, stickers off, right? Because taking stickers off sort of sucks. With Dollar Tree, you don't have to do that. So unfortunately, all I really have to show you is these DVDs. I did sell a couple toy items, but DVDs seem to be the easiest thing to identify and sort of the quickest sellers and have the most profit right now. I'm not sure if that'll change in the future, or how often these Dollar Trees get in new items to look at, but that's been my experience so far. So I appreciate you checking in. If you like the video, you like the content, go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and check out the next video. And I appreciate everybody being here this time, and I'll catch you guys later.